ladies and gentlemen, young David and Team Samba. It's good, isn't it?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic. That was very good. That was very good. I can see which one I want to do my fund management here. Yeah, very good. Can I just say, while that was going on, Dave?
Yes?
We got new ornaments for the show. And as you were drawing,
I apologise.
one of them just fell off the shelf. Look what you've done. Can we get a refund?
What?
Look, you've broken one of our
dodgy shelves. You want to get that?
This is a very expensive pot, especially commissioned for Open House. Listen, well done to you. You're in Leeson Street at the Sugar Club tomorrow
at lunchtime,
between 1 and half past 2. The very best of luck to you.
Thank
you very much. That was fantastic. Meantime, speaking of Sex in the City, Mary.
Our broken ornaments. We like broken ornaments. Yeah, well, we're talking about the shoes and the boots and the things like that. And Shayna, you were true to your word.